How to use the shadow/highlights effect in Photoshop. The shadow/highlights effect in Photoshop is a useful tool for correcting photos that have too much or too little light in some areas. You can use it to brighten the shadows or darken the highlights of an image, as well as adjust the contrast and color saturation. Here are some steps to use the shadow/highlights effect in Photoshop. Open the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. You can do this by dragging the photo onto the Photoshop icon, or by going to File, Open and selecting the photo from your device. Make the image a smart object by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers panel and choosing Convert to Smart Object. This will allow you to apply the effect non-destructively, meaning you can change or remove it later without affecting the original image. Go to Image Adjustments Shadow/Highlights. This will open a dialog box where you can adjust the effect settings. Adjust the amount slider or enter a value in the shadows or highlights percentage box to control how much of a correction to make. Larger values provide either greater lightening of shadows or greater darkening of highlights. You can adjust both shadows and highlights in an image. For finer control, select Show More options to make additional adjustments, such as tonal width, radius, midtone contrast, color correction, and black clip and white clip. These options affect how the effect is applied to different tonal ranges, colors, and contrast levels of the image. Make sure that the preview option is selected in the dialog box if you want to see the changes as you make them. You can also click on the image and drag it to see different parts of it. Click OK when you are satisfied with the result. You can always go back and edit or remove the effect by double-clicking on the shadow/highlights layer in the Layers panel. You have successfully used the shadow/highlights effect in Photoshop to improve your photo.